Take a look at our new device. It's designed to measure the first layer of asphalt in automatic mode. Assembling the device is very fast. The kit includes a transport case, the device itself, the battery, which is designed for approximately 4 hours of continuous operation, and a rechargeable battery. Now we turn on the device, adjust the handle as convenient, lay it out, and in just a few seconds the device is ready for use. Next, we make the minimum settings, click Search, and start swinging. The device shows 6 centimeter tile thickness. All this data can be stored in memory for subsequent download to a PC and in order to make a report if necessary. The device has a built-in GPS to automatically record the coordinates and the point for determining the thickness of asphalt. That's it. The measurement process is over. We can move to the next location.